put one piece, you see, one piece, we don't have anything in front, but for some people, they don't have solution like this. So what they do is that put this in front, they put something in front, you know, especially they install the plastic floor or PVC floor on the stair. They need to put this one, Then we call this is called transition. So this is the not so nice because of not so durable, because after install they will fall down, they will drop, they will disconnect this piece. So that's why as a wholesale floor, we give solution to the customer. We are coming with one piece. You see the one piece here, this one piece together, So with this, we don't have problem with this one. Will come out because it's one piece completed, completed. That's why this one is more durable.